Om Shri Sai Ram. Dear student, in the last class we have discussed about speed and velocity. What is meant by speed? Speed is the distance travelled by an object in unit time. Speed equals to distance divided by time formula, and velocity, speed with the direction, is called velocity. Speed with the direction. It is a vector quantity. We know that it is a vector quantity, and in today's class we are going to study some problems related to these speed and velocity. In that first problem, the odometer of a car reads 2000 km at the start of a trip and 2400 km at the end of the trip. If the trip took 8 hours, then calculate the average speed of the car in kilometer per hour and meter per second. Okay, here calculate the average speed in 2 units, kilometer per hour, in kilometer per hour and meter per second. Okay, see here, the odometer of a car reads 2000 kilometer. 2000 kilometer. First, its value 2000 kilometer. Okay, and at the start of a trip it is, and 2400 kilometer at the end of a trip. At the end of a trip, its value odometer reads 2400 kilometer. 2400 kilometer. First, the odometer reads 2000 kilometer. 2000 kilometer. At the end of the trip, it reads 2400 kilometer. Then what is the distance travelled? What is the distance travelled? Distance travelled equals to, here distance travelled equals to 2400. At the end of the trip, odometer read 2400, and in start its value only 2000. Only 2000. So distance travelled equals to 2400 minus 2000. Its value 400 kilometer. So what is the distance travelled? 400 kilometer. And this trip, it took 8 hours. That car covers 400 kilometer in 8 hours. Okay, car covers 400 kilometer in 8 hours. So calculate its average speed. Okay, here time taken, time equals to 8 hours. It is given in the data. Okay, so time equals to 8 hours. So calculate average speed. Average speed equals to how much? Average speed formula. Average speed equals to total distance travelled. Total distance travelled divided by total time taken. Total time taken. Okay, here what is the total distance travelled? 400 kilometer. Distance travelled is 400 kilometer divided by total time taken. Time here 8 hours. 8 equals to 400 divided by 8. 400 divided by 8. 8 ones are 8 5s are 40, and here 0. So value 50 kilometer per hour. Why here 50 kilometer per hour? Because here distance is in kilometer and time in hour. So here average speed equals to 50 kilometer per hour. Okay, then calculate the average speed in meter per second also. Okay, meter per second. Now convert this 50 kilometer per hour into meter per second. Okay, so average speed, next step, average speed equals to 50 kilometer per hour. It is in kilometer per hour. Convert this into meter per second. Meter per second. 1 kilometer equals to 1000 meters. So 50 into 1000. 50 into 1000. Why? 1 kilometer equals to 1000 meter. Divided by here kilometer per hour. Per means divide. Per hour. Time, it's SI unit second. So convert this hour into seconds. Okay, for 1 hour 60 minutes. For 1 minute 60 seconds. So 1 hour equals to 60 into 60. 60 into 60 seconds. 60 into 60 equals to 3600 seconds. 3600. So 50 into 1000 divided by 3600. Why? Here 50 kilometer. Convert this kilometer in meter. 1 kilometer equals to 1000 meters. So into 1000 divided by hour. Here 1 hour 60 minutes. For 1 minute 60 seconds. So 60 into 60 equals to 3600 seconds. For 1 hour 3600 seconds. Next, simplify this. 20 cancels here. Then 2 5s are 10. 2 1s are 2. Here 1 remains 16. 2 8s are 16. Okay. Again here 2 9s are 18. 2 25s are 50. Correct? Then 25 into 5. 5 5s are 25. 2 remains. 5 2s are 10. 10 plus 2 12. 125 divided by 9. Simplify this. 125 divided by 9. 9 ones are 9. Then 10, 11, 12. 3 remains here. 35. Then 9 3s are 27. 27. Here 35. 35 minus 27. 38 remains. 8 remains. So here point and here 0. 80 divided by 9. 80 divided by 9. 9 8s are 72. 72. Here 80. 80 minus 72. Again 8 remains. Then 0. 80. Again 8s are. It continues. So average speed equals to 13.88 meter per second. So it is a average velocity, sorry, average speed, not velocity, it is speed, average speed in meter per second. What is the value of average speed in kilometer per hour? Value 50 kilometer per hour. And average speed in meter per second, its value 13.88 meter per second. Second problem, Usha swims in a 90 meter long pool and she covers 180 meter in 1 minute by swimming one end to the other and back along the same straight path. Find the average speed and average velocity of Usha. Here we calculate average speed and velocity. We know that average speed formula total distance travelled divided by total time taken. So here first find out the total distance and here average velocity. For velocity equals to displacement divided by time. So first calculate displacement and distance travelled. Here Usha swims in a 90 meter long pool. 90 meter long pool. Swimming pool it is. Here its length 90 meter. 90 meter long pool. She covers 180 meter in 1 minute by swimming one end to the other. ये position it is and here B. She starts from this point, then reaches to this B point. B point from one end to the other and back along the same straight path. And back along the same straight path. B to A. First she swims A to B, then B to A. B to A. What is the distance between A to B? It is 90 meter. Then what is the distance between B to A? It is also 90 meter. So 90 plus 90. Distance travelled equals to 90 plus 90 equals to 180 meter. It is given. She covers 180 meter distance in 1 minute. She covers this distance, total distance, 180 meter distance in 1 minute. Okay. So find the average speed and velocity. Observe here initial position is A. And what is the final position? First, here starting point A and here end point, final position B. Then in the second situation, initial position B, final position A. Okay, so here initial position. What is the initial position? A. So what is the displacement? What is the displacement of Usha? Displacement. What is the definition of displacement? Displacement. It is the shortest distance between the initial and final position. So here displacement. Initial and final positions are same, so displacement becomes 0. Displacement becomes 0. Okay, now calculate distance travelled, total distance travelled, distance equals to 180 meter. It is given 90 plus 90. A to B, then B to A. Okay, and here to cover 180 meter distance, she takes 1 minute. 1 minute. Convert this minute time into seconds. For 1 minute, 60 seconds. 60 seconds. Okay. So, what is the distance travelled now? Distance travelled. Oh, sorry. It's not distance travelled. First calculate speed here. Okay, speed equals to distance travelled divided by time taken. Average speed. Here average speed equals to total distance travelled divided by total time taken equals to, here both are same, average speed and speed value same here. Okay, so distance equals to 180 divided by time 60. 0 0 cancels and 6 1s are 6 3s are, so 3 meter per second. SI unit of speed 3 meter per second. Here distance is in meter and time is in second. So speed equals to 3 meter per second. Next, calculate the average velocity of Usha. What is the average speed of Usha? It is 3 meter per second. Next, calculate the average velocity. So, first we calculate velocity. Velocity equals to displacement divided by time. Displacement divided by time. Here displacement. What is the value of displacement? It is 0. Why? Because initial and final positions are same. So displacement equals to 0. Velocity equals to displacement divided by time equals to 0 by 60. 0 by 60. Its value 0. So average velocity equals to 0 meter per second. Average speed equals to 3 meter per second. 3 meter per second and average velocity equals to 0 meter per second.